Coach, tough loss against very strong opposition. I think the second half you guys came out with a lot more intent to go at them, but the first half was a major sore in the game. What went wrong in the first half of the game?
All right, organization and concentration let us down, and transition from attack to defense was a little bit poor, and just the organization within the line of defense was off. So as we go into the game, we realize that and try to capitalize on it. And our players were moving out of the line of the positions and are not getting that ball into the space to get that in the final third, so we could be able to get a shot off in the first half.
Coach, and also your midfield, the midfield was a bit disjointed from the attack, from the defense. What do you think was the major cause of that?
Yes, I think understanding and combination play, they were moving off the ball quickly enough to join. The movements was so slow, and the communication amongst them, verbal communication, who must move into the space, weren't getting that in the first half. So that's hence the problem was there. So we made that adjustment second half, and you could see that pay dividend with in the middle right there. So we have that that space really filled.
Right, and you know, just from watching, I can see like once you guys can start the games better, like you did the second half, the results would come along. But coach, start to me, how do you motivate the boys after such a defeat like today? How do you motivate them?
Yes, remember this is a building program for the boys, and we are looking to get them ready just to play in games, and we're gonna lose games, and they are putting out the effort of playing, but we have to try and keep them motivated by showing them their mistakes and allowing them to see their mistakes and also talking out their mistakes, and then we use that now as a stepping stone to go back and build on it, because it's a work in progress for the program. And I really love this initiative of this under 17. So it shows the level at which we are, and if we continue to play, because game relation is different from training relation, and we have them just training, and then once they get the game under the belt, so you know moments in the game, things going to happen. So all of those things we have to just adjust and move forward.
All right, all the best, coach, going for the team. All right.
Yeah, man.